guys, I'm here back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to pick image from camera or gallery in your own Flutter application. So basically head on to the image picker library on the pub.dev, and in here click on installing tab and follow this, copy this dependency and just paste it right here. Click on pub-get. I've done all that for you, and after that just click on just copy this import statement in your application, and after that is done we need to also get these three import statements, and after that just click on just type out void main, which again is gonna run app, which is gonna be my app. Okay, just like that. And once this is done, we're gonna create a stateless widget which is gonna be named as my app, which returns a material app, which again returns scaffold. And in here there's going to be a body, and once this is done we're going to now create a stateful widget, in this case as let's say main app. I'm gonna return main app. Now the reason why we have created this stateful widget is because once we pick the image, we want this image to be shown on this UI. We want this UI to be reconstructed, so the stateful widget does the reconstruction part. So we're gonna need this stateful widget, and in here in the container, in the child, we are gonna have a column. Okay, just like that, and this column is gonna have main axis alignment to be centered. Okay, that's done. And now we're gonna have the children property, okay, like that, and we're gonna have a raised button which is gonna return a function again. Okay, now we also gonna add a child. Okay, child, which is gonna be a text widget. Let's just say press or pick me. All right, that's done. We have arranged the function also. Now the next step is we are going to add a file image right here, and then the future get image, which is gonna be a sync because this is a future. So then inside this we're gonna add a final image equals to await image picker dot pick image source dot camera. Now here comes the interesting part. Now if you want to pick the image from the camera, you want to click the image and then select it, you can type camera right in here, or else if you want to pick from the gallery, you can type out gallery. So just basically there is no much difference in doing this, so I'm gonna set it to camera. Also a pro tip, you can add an option for camera as well as gallery by adding a dialog box right in here and tell them to choose it. But right here, oh wait, I've got a wrong spelling in here. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna set state which is gonna be image equal to image, and that's done. So all of these steps are being done already. So what we do is we just get rid of this right here, and in here we can basically type out this get image function. Let's just try out this. Okay, that's done. Let's save and run and try to get it. Okay, so there is a pick me, but one thing that we just forgot is we are picking the image, but we are still not displaying the image onto the UI. So for that, it's going to be image equals to, if it's null, we're just getting the if statement like a ternary operator. So it's gonna add no image selected still, or if the image is selected, it's gonna add image dot file, and this is gonna be the image right here. Okay, that's it. Let's check out if this really works. Now, one thing for sure is you need to stop the app and start it from the beginning, because this sometimes works but sometimes it doesn't. So in my case, let me try. I've already stopped it and tried again. Okay, so once I've clicked it, it's going to open the camera. This is the basic image which the stock camera of the emulator has. Now if I click on the camera button, it clicks a pic just like that, and when I click on the tick button right here, it's going to import this into my app. As you can see, it has got rid of this no image selected text, and it has got this beautiful image right here. Now let me show you something with the gallery section. So if I just replace this with gallery and I save it, let's say I hot restart it. Okay, so if I now click on the pick me button, it's going to take me to the files or the gallery app as per your Androids to be the default thing. Okay, so when I click this image, it's gonna load it right inside the app. Alright guys, so this wraps up the video. Hope you like it. If you learned anything from this video, please be sure to hit the like button and click on the subscribe button and support for more such awesome Flutter videos. Good day.